In Surah Al-Mulk, Quran says about God, خَلَقَ الْمَوْتَ وَالْحَيَاةَ لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا. This is the creation plan of God. 67:2. According to this verse, God created man for test. God here has put us on test so that He may know who is the best in terms of his character. So I can say that present world is a selective ground. Because in this world, everyone is on test, and God tries to select those people who qualify to be settled in paradise. This is the only purpose of creation. This is the only purpose of creation. In other words, you can say that present world is like a nursery. There is a very relevant hadith. Here I would like to quote that hadith. Prophet of Islam says that in the Mi'raj, that was ascension, he happened to meet Prophet Ibrahim. Prophet Ibrahim said, "O Muhammad, tell your ummah, your followers, that paradise is like a very, very fertile land, but it is vacant. Although paradise is very, very fertile, there are abundant water, everything is there, but it is a vacant land. Now everyone is sowing his sapling in this. Everyone who is born in the world. So according to his deed, he is planting his saplings in this land. So according to this hadith, present world is like a nursery. Everyone is planted here in this nursery. Then there is transplantation. Here is the first plantation. Then there is transplantation. That is that you will find place in the land of paradise. So this is the best expression of the purpose of life. The Quran tells us that you have to prepare yourself for the life hereafter. In this world, you are simply on test. This world is like an examination hall. Here you cannot fulfill your desires. Here you cannot build a paradise of your own. No. In examination hall, no student can find a job or business. So in this world, you are only to prepare yourself, to qualify yourself, to prove yourself a deserving candidate to be settled in paradise. This is the creation plan of God.